Wala nga daw si Enrique, nasa New York daw.
Bayan.
Yo, damn! She made me eat chili, man. These 4 big ones. Oh,
We know we were about
chili!
to prank you now with Liza. As in.
Really want to prank.
We were going to prank you.
You know how many chili peppers I ate?
Sobrang for her?
Yes.
Oh, you're a perfect day! Bakit? Why no?
Because I'm ganito karami.
No, you're ano na.
Pinakain niya sa akin.
Oh, I hate. She ate me eat one of these big ass ones. I was like, she gave them to me. Like she's like, she ate this one. She just ate one of this one. And then she gave me one of these big ones. I was like, just eat that one.
Yung chili, ginaganyan niya lang. Gosh. Oh, ano? Tagas ka. Grabe ba?
Oh, naiyak na. Hindi ako Marco, how many did you eat?
1, 7.
4 big ones. Yum, how many?
Ganito kalaki yung mga pinakain niya.
Pero dala-dala niya to.
Oh, binatuhan niya pa ako ng kalamansi. Nagulat siya nung nakita niya ako.
She was crying when I saw
Sinasabi na
her.
na siya.
Oh, she's perfect talaga. Super.
Sabi sa'yo yung ilong niya, di ba? Uy, grabe.
Grabe, ganun
Ano
talaga.
nangyari? So, paano? Nasaan kayo? Yung payat niya! Pinapunta kayo ni Kuya sa
Hindi,
kwarto.
isa. Pagkatapos si Yong, siya na una.
I was
Akong first. Talo kayo sa akin. Na akong first.
Uy, ito ang tissue ang ginamit niya. Ang pang iyak.
Umiyak siya.
Hindi, sa she's so beautiful. Yung eyes
Kasi
niya.
yung tinuturuan namin, yung sumasayaw, nakamaskara sila na Liza. Liza yung face. Uy.
Just throw it in the bin now. Just kidding.
Damn! Yung eyes niya.
Ang mata niya.
Brown.
I had like some moment when I first saw her first moment. I was like,
Totoo yung mata niya, no?
oh my
Yung
god.
talaga mata niya. Talaga.
Ganda.
Parang si Christine lang.
Ang dami yung nangyari, Katniel.
Promise, hindi maniwala.
Swerte natin.
Grabe ba?
Sorry, Mr.
Saglit
Padilla and Mrs. Bernardo, but you
Ilang
don't.
seconds lang.
Damn. Ang saya ni Mrs.
Ang ganda ni Liza.
P.
She's alright.
Wala kayong ginawang
Paano ka Hindi ko nga siya
Nakatigil lang kami
nakausap
sa
ng
Barcelona.
maayos.
talaga doon na kayo pinagawa.
Hala,
And then she calls me by name. Ito pa yung Christine.
What did she say?
No, when she
knows?
said-
Yeah, she knows naman talaga.
Ayun, bago pa. Yay, kiss me. Ay,
No,
kilala
she
niya
said-
tayong lahat.
She said, wait, I got a second date, you know. Promise.
When you get out?
Yeah, she said, oh, maybe on our next date we can talk about something else. And I was like,
Enrique will kill you.
I said that. I said, Kuya said, Edward, you have 1 minute left to say whatever you want to say. So I said, I love you. And then she laughed, and I said, nah, joke man. She's like, oh, it's a joke. I said, they're like, yeah, but no, but if I say it, then Enrique's gonna kill me. And he's like, no, it's alright. You can share.
Oh, sabi pa niya. She said to Ate Maymay, oh, Enrique's yours na. Sa'yo na siya, di ba? Sabi niya, sa'yo na siya.
Our plan is on its way, man.
Oh my God! 50%! 50% there!
Tapos kanina sinabi niya
50%
pa
pa.
sa akin nung paglakad niya, palagi daw siya nanonood ng PBB. Tapos
Kilala nga niya tayong lahat.
Oo, tapos ako daw yung...
Edward.
Yes?
Please go to the confession room.
Oh, she's still there! She's still there! Oh my God! Oh my God!
You are the one! I'm special! I can see you're mongoloid!
Eduardo!
Yes!
Make Liza fall in love!
I'm proud of you!
Go, Eduardo! Oh! Ang bait niya, no?
Binatuhan niya pa ako ng kalamansi.
Sabi, May, alam mo ba, nung
Sabi niya
nakita
sa
ko
akin,
siya, hindi siya
palagi daw siya
tumitigil
nanonood.
kausapin yung mom ko.
Ano?
Super bait niya yung mom ko. Kinakausap niya. Yung mom ko, yung kapatid ko nandun. Talagang mag-iisip siya, ano pa ba? Tapos, basta may masabi siya. Basta hindi siya titigil na kausapin
Ang
ka.
bait niya.
Super bait talaga.
Tapos sabi niya sa akin kanina, alam mo, ako daw yung pinapanood niya palagi sa PBB. Na, grabe ba? Tapos binatuan niya ako ng kalamansi, buti na lang nakailag ako. Talong-talong talaga siya ng ganun.
Lang sa trip eh, no? Nanonood siya ng PBB?
Oh my.
Kilala nga tayo lahat. Kilala nga tayo eh.
Kasi siguro yung bokas ni Bay.
Oo, kaya na ano niya. Si Paso.
Pagkatapos
Ganda
parang
niya,
umiyak
simple.
talaga siya. Iyak.
Perfect.
Iyak. Ang galing niya mag-acting, promise.
Umiiyak na talaga siya?
Iyak nang iyak talaga. Sabi ko,
Actress
akala
talaga.
ko sa una, nung pumasok
Ba't siya
ako dito,
umiiyak?
hindi ko lang, kakagising ko lang.
Prank?
Kakagising ko lang asing tumayo lang ako. Lumalakad ako dito. Pagkatapos narinig ko, someone is crying. And then pagkatapos, akala ko prank na naman ni Kuya na alam mo yung mga babae na umiyak ko. Sabi ko,
Ang ganda naman nun.
oo, pagkatapos sabi ko, sorry ate kung hindi talaga medyo ako lumapit agad kasi akala ko prank na naman na kuya kasi medyo gulatin po ako. Sorry po. Sabi niya, hindi ako niya, pero babalik ka agad ha.
Ako hindi ako nag-prank. Hindi ako ni-prank.
Sabi niya na hi.
Hindi, dyan siya.
Pagkatapos sabi niya,
Gaano ng prank.
type ko yung mga tao na kinakain ang
Yun daw,
mahilig
favorite
kumain
niya
ng
si-
chili. Sabi ko,
Tutulaban ang damit.
Sinabi ko pa kung sino
Hindi siya
kasama niya,
umiiyak
wala.
ng-
Hindi ka pa kontento sa akin. No, grabe
oo,
vibes.
ginaganon niya. Oo, ganun.
Doon
Tapos
kayo.
siya nagdala nito kasi ibang plato. Pati yung cup.
Oo nga. Oh my God, may bagong sili na tayo.
Sili boy. Gawa pa ako ng sauce
Natutuwa
ko.
naman ako pinakain ko ng sili.
Nagkamay pa kami, Ate May. Kumain na nagkamay. No.
Kami kayo sa
Oo. Ha? No. Sila nagkutsara, kami kamay lang kami yun.
Pagkatapos sabi ko,
Starstruck.
Yung kinakausap niya ako, tinatanong niya ko, lahat ng narinig ko, blah, 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 blah. Tapos mag-stop siya. Uy, Christian. Po! Gumaganon ako, hindi ko siya makausap ng maayos.
She's perfect, girl.
Si ate, si Carl Enrique.
Okay lang.
Akala nga namin kayo
Okay na din
naka-dance
siya. Oh my
practice na
gosh.
si Enrique.
Sila Lizken talaga ako eh. Sobra.
damn, I saw Liza.
Ang liit ng mukha niya, di ba?
Oh, grabe!
Yung nose niya,
Ang
it's
ganda
like
ng mata niya. Gusto ko yung mata.
brown.
Brown na brown.
Brown light.
Light brown.
Sabi sa akin ni Kuya, eyes to eyes kayo. Pag sa labas, nice to eyes. Hindi ko nakatingin. Eyes, nakatingin din ako. Dal-dal ko sobra. Sa family kami na gano'n. Sa family.
Pero ilang minutes na kayo? A minute lang.
7 minutes. Tigil 7 minutes.
Kasi 7 minutes?
Ang tagal. Ilan kayo?
Grabe ba?
7, 14, 21, 28 minutes.
Ano, tig 7 minutes?
Tigil 7 minutes silang date.
Ay, isa-isa.
Guys are soldiers!
Oh my gosh! Hello! Sa Ate Liza!
With her
You saw her pa?
Yeah.
She was
To Edward, love you, heart.
Hey, don't smoke all of this! Let me say, bro. Come on, come on.
Kayo, nasaan na? Nung si Edward na. Kuya, grabe ba? Enrique ba? May date tayo with Enrique.
Hey, you got a phone number.
Yun yung mga...
Phone number. New York daw, sabi ni actor.
Kaya nga sabi
No,
niya,
one moment. Por favor, Marco, por favor. Marco, no. Marco, don't. If you spill something on it, I will murder you. I will murder you. Marco, Marco, Marco.
Parang snowflake. Ano, what did she say to you, Edward?
She said her task was to surprise
Di na
everyone
ako
differently,
di na ako
every boy
magsasalita.
differently. So she gave the onion, you got the calamansi, or I don't know what happened with you. And then she said she wanted to choose. She had to choose her favorite from the 4.
Oh, so she chose you. Hi, Edward. She chose you.
Come on, it's okay.
Oh, guys.
Tapos na kay Edward, kuya ako! Ilan pa umasa ako, 3 umasa ako, tapos siya, yun lang.
So yung may mga task pa.
May mga task pa, kuya, grabe, kuya. Grabe, ante, kuya,
Ayoko na talaga. Edward, keep hoping, Tim. I keep hoping. Ganda niya, Ate Liza. Keep hoping. Super.
We can share.
Hey, you guys want to sleep in the same bed as me now, huh? Right?
Mukhang kamukha daw kasi nung kapatid. Ganyan yung nangyari bago kami pumasok. Pas tawa na kami ng tawa pagpasok.
Only child lang siya. Dalawa sila sa nanay. Tapos,
Brothers?
oo. Hindi, yung totoo niya. Yun yung
Dalawa.
dalawa sila.
Oo.
Diba yung lalaki?
Ilong niya. Ganda ng ilong niya, no? Grabe.
Nagkita na kami once. Birthday ni Tito.
Pinaglalaan pa kami nito sa
Very
confession.
unfair naman ito.
Nananaginip ka.
Kaya ba lot of task for Enrique?
Mga kuya, gising na po!
And then I look there, I see like, and then Kuya asked me in the confession room a few minutes later.
the one who screamed.
Kuya asked me in the confession room, Edward, what are you thinking? I said, I didn't have time to brush my teeth or take a shower. And I was like,
Grabe, nakita ko siya dito.
You should just pray that she has colds. Grabe ba? Yun, saboy. Naiiyak si Ate Boy.
Tomboy na ako. My gosh, totoo na kantibo ako.
100 times, sumasabi. Man, wag! Si
Enrique's probably watching, though. Mama, if it makes you feel better.
Kuya pa rin eh! Ate Mar, tapos nawala ka sa New York. Not the end of that.
Mama, if it makes you feel better, I ate 4 chilies without eating breakfast. So now I'm going to fart
What
the whole
does
night.
it taste ba?
No, just if you try it, don't try a big one. I promise you. I started crying.
I just went for it. No, not this one.
Ayoko baka lang
No.
papatayin mo ako eh.
Ito.
Ayoko
No,
papatayin mo
don't.
ako.
No, I promise.
No, this one.
Don't.
No, because the wrinkly ones, they're spicier. Oh, go.
Yeah, but don't take a big
Teka
one.
lang. Warm up. Oy, lagay ka na niya.
Ganyan lang ginagawa niya.
Lahat. Parang chips lang.
Kaso, kamusta ka naman?
Kaya?
Saan natin ah?
Sa amin.
Hindi kaya ng isang ganyan lang ng milk.
Then eat
Andyan pa rin.
4 of these.
Iiyak na.
4 of these.
Yan kasi gagalit mo, Ban.
Apparently, she told me to eat a spoonful of sugar. I don't know if she was trying to make me look like a mongoloid or if it actually works.
Yung gatas sa mukha na pug.
She's been my celebrity crush for like 4 years, 3 years. No, 3 years.
And then,
Dream come true. But that's it. I go and
Malinis yung sipon mo, no?
believe it.
then again I can't believe it.
Second year high school, third year, fourth year.
Malinis na.
She's hungry, no?
Turning 6 years.
Yeah, it was a gift.
Bakit?
Kasi wala tayong ginawa, di ba?
Ha?
Wala tayong ginawa.
We didn't do anything. We just
Makuha si Ate Liza. Parang pumunta.
try sugar. She told me to do it.
She's
Spoonful of sugar.
Yan, Christine, ha? Kalokohan mo. Ito.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Nasusunod ka nakatira, Christine.
Pagkain ko ng sili.
Tulog ko ako.
Sila niyo. Ay, ka na.
Umiyak siya ng gatas.
Umiiyak si Christine.
She's crying milk.
Sabi niya, kumusta ka na?
Young,
Left off.
let's go.
Scratong.
Ay, you smell my pillow?
Kratong Springies Flip-Ups. Ano yun? Wala lang. Yung parang kakapagod din sa screen. Saan yung ano?
Kanina.
Springy.
Promise, promise. Ay, mamaya, pairam yung pink ha. Pairam yung pink ha, Timay ha.
Ah. Yuck.
Hindi, yung pink na yun ha.
Edward, could you reach me the ketchup? Sino pa wala? Ay, wala na wala.
You know?
Siya mo, ganyan siya mag-bully, Temay. Yung mga kahapon pa ako binubully ni Kisses.
Ito yung Brad. Abangan natin sana.
Nilalagay ko kasi na. Nilalagay ko.
Sino kulang ng baso? 1, 2, and 3.
Share tayo, Kisses.
Marco, it's good. I got it. Marco, we pray first. We pray first.
I do it faster.
Marco, we pray first. It's already in the. It's.
Ang init ng tubig, ang sarap.
Ay na.
Go! Yes.
Ay, sili. Ito yung sili. Ano yung sili to?
Yung bagong sili. Yun.
Yun ang banghang.
Wala pang bubon.
Sige, dalawa pa. Isa pa.
You good, Marco?
Yeah.
pa.
Fine. Hindi yan na.
What? Ketchup.
Katsu. Marco, what about?
Yan lang? More. More.
Pakita mo. Ayaw mo.
My gosh, Picasso, is that you? Van Gogh? Leonardo da Vinci.
Crazy.
Jesus. Seals. And then cubes.
Edward? Who's the blind pianist?
The grand.
Si ano? Si blind pianist.
I don't know.
Beethoven?
Oh yeah, no, that was Beethoven.
That's Beethoven.
A song was played for him, and then he just listened to it, and then he, after hearing it once, he played it, replicated it perfectly, and adjusted it.
Wait.
Beethoven.
It's crazy.
Hey, I got paid.
And there's a pianist who was born with a bone, like he can't normal piano, he can't play it. His bones will break if he hits it too hard. So there's a pianist. I don't remember his name, but he was born smaller than a normal human being should be. His bones are fragile, so he had to sit on special. Everything in the house had to be special furniture, special piano light. And then one day he broke his hands playing piano. Not a bad.
He used his foot. There was one pianist that used his foot.
I don't know.
He used his foot.
Sarap mga Ay, magawa ka na.
Hindi rin, pati I've had my fill of spices. Thank you.
Meh.
Actually, I've had my full of spicy for the last few days.
Gano'n mo rin ah. Pasa? Me. Who's me? Me.
What's your name?
Me.
Where are you from?
We.
How old are you?
Me.
Why does it feel so late?
Gusto mo yun?
Patay na.
Yun yung bonus mo na nakahalata na ako. Oo nga. Baka yun nga yung bonus
Labas
ah.
pang lazy after na lang.
I'll tell you, if I was outside right now, I wouldn't do anything.
Perfect weather for swimming.
No, I'd be in a hammock, man. I'd find a hammock and sit in it.
Ketchup.
Please.
Hindi, ako yung lagi nakakuha ng battery, dalawang beses. Okay na. Thank you.
Like,
Parang mahal sa battery.
see a picture of your best friend and his girlfriend? Scroll. Celebrity with a boyfriend? Scroll. New shoes.
Wala kong sable.
Crush.
Like automatically.
Like,
Like, share favorite.
alam niyo photo save.
Alam mo yung sa XBR? Wait, tali mo. RB. Nakain ganon? Masarap na mahang.
Ano nangyari sa'yo, Christian, kanina?
Please.
Ha?
Yung kanina umaga.
Kanina umaga.
Paano ka?
Please.
A date with Liza is
Okay.
what needs to cheer you.
Multo? Ano?
Panaginipan ko may something bad nangyari sa family ko.
Pwede na.
Heaven din.
I felt na parang there's something wrong with my mom. Kaya I woke up.
May pray mo yan. Ano nangyari, Papa Joe?
I woke up the same time as you, Christian.
Pati signs were showing. Di ba kahapon ba yun or may parang day na parang pin-over lang ng clouds yung sun tapos nawala lang agad. Tapos may pumasok
Grabe si
din.
ate. Liza, nakakita talaga siya.
I woke up when you
Hindi,
went to the
totoo.
room.
Sabi niya.
It's at the same time you woke up.
Non
Yeah, same.
serious.
I couldn't get back to sleep. You fell asleep after
Kaya
that. man.
mag-ingat kayo. Mga
didn't.
fallen angels.
I was awake for
Daw
like an
naniwasan ko,
hour.
pero fallen angels, oo. Mga engkanto. Yung simula pong...
Saka nakita rin ako ni Edward. Briefing ako. Kagabi. Dahil sa amin last night, I woke up. Gising kami lahat. May gising.
That shit was hitting me. No, I just was like,
Hindi. What if meron din akong kung anong meron si Christian pero hindi ko makita kasi malabo yung ano. Yung multo naiinip na.
May ganong movie si Bong Navarro.
Yung movie, nakakatakot na
Ano? Tapos siya nagaganyan lang siya, toothbrush siya. Tapos biglang nilalabas, nakagano pa siya.
Contacts lagi.
yung book niya na gano'n, nakakatawa.
Nainis na yun. Hanggang sa paglabas niya, wala na.
Galit na yung multo sa akin.
Please.
Yung nakakatawa yung book niya.
Nan-follow ka na ng multo sa Instagram kasi hindi mo doon sa mapansin.
Walang mukha. Walang mukha.
Pero ito lang daw.
May tindaw. Sabi ni Kuya Daddy.
Sorry ba?
Yung heaven, meron yung sa heaven.
Ayoko nang sabihin.
Ha?
Ayoko. Hindi ko pansinin. Kasi pag pinansin, mas
Mas
magpapakas.
napaparamdam.
Pag nakita mo siya, gano'n siya.
Talaga? Ano yung pinaka-worst na nakita mo?
Ano? Worst?
Yung footstep.
Yung sa school. Doon kami. CLE. Ay, math ata. Bored na bored ako. So, labas ako, CR ako. Sa CR na, ito yung CR. Tapos dito, may ibang building. Tapos, yung pinakataas na floor, makikita mo doon. Pero, yung stairs nun, nakalock. Syempre ako, hindi ko napapansin. Diyos ko, ibang building yun, lang pakialam, gano'n. Tapos, sabi na lakad ako, labas na ako CR, ganyan. Tapos, as in, may nakagan, as in, gumagano lang siya. Akala ko nagpipray. Sabi ko, nagpipray tong janitor. Kasi mostly janitor yung nag-ano. Kasi mabilis, Temay. Hanggang sa, alam ko na. Multo. Kasi, naisip ko, nakalock yung ganon. Nakalock yung pinto, yung sa taas, saka sa baba. So, wala talagang sense kung may... kasi talagang ganon siya, Temay. Kasi yung lalaki, ganyan. Tapos, kasi ganon siya ng ganon. Tapos, that day din, namatay, before
Wait,
nun...
yun yung multo.
Yun naman to. Kasi before nun, yung janitor na naglilinis doon namatay.
Ito ba yung balahibo?
Kaya sa
Pwede nyo ng multo.
yun yung pinaka-worst. Kasi nandun lang talaga siya.
Busog na tayo. Multo na yung multo.
Ano ginawa mo?
Wala.
Umalis ka na lang.
Balikwit ako.
Kasi mas ano
Mga
sila.
ganyan, they're seeking refuge.
Pero yung gano'n naman, pinipipray naman namin.
Hindi, multo pag inano.
Ilan yung mama mo?
Alam ng
Pinagpag-usapan.
buong klase. Kasi nga sabi ko, guys,
Lumalabas.
tita ko, gano'n. Sabi niya, ano ba yan? Alam naman nila, after nun, kasi meron kami bulletin board. Sino namamatay, pray for the, repose. Gano'n. So, pinipray na lang.
Ready ba?
Kapag ganito, ganito.
Tatakbo na lang ako pag nakakalimutan. Kung ako may power, heart attack na heart attack.
Hindi,
Yun nga, no, sometimes it can be a blessing, sometimes a curse.
Kaya pray mo lang.
Why it's a curse?
Kasi, minsan, sa'yo lumalapit yung mga, yung mga entity. Sa'yo nagpaparamdam para masabi mo sa iba para magpapulong mo.
Yung tulidor ba? Marami ka nakita dun, no?
Pero kami sanay namin. sanay na nga.
Sinong kami?
Nanay.
Meron din sa?
Oo, buong pamilya namin meron.
Ano?
Iba-iba kami. Yung dun sa yung lola ko, kasi naririnig niya, lahat nagagawa, ano niya. Tapos sa anak niya, parang nang hati-hati. Parang dun sa unang anak, parang sense lang. Kasi like, nararamdaman niya na.
Tapos si Sky meron din.
Oh, tapos yung pangalawa, hindi ko pa alam. Meron ata. Yung pangalawa, si Mami, siya yung nakakakita. Tapos yung pangatlo, nakakarinig. Tapos yung pang-apat, ano ba nagagawa niya? Ano pa si Ninong? Nakikita niya rin. Nakikita niya rin.
Buti na wala ka.
Tapos sa pinsan, kami, nakikita lang.
Nakakapagkausap. Yun, pure talaga na clairvoyance.
Sino lagi?
Makakausap niya.
Ito sa'yo.
Si Marco
Ito sa'yo ito lahat.
Ano sabi niyo?
Sa corridor, ano nakita mo?
Hindi, basta makikita mo lang, may mga nakaluhod, may mga nakaupo, dyan.
Pero madidistinct mo yung tao na normal sa
Oo, madidistinct mo.
Saan?
Diba, Christian?
Transparent sila ba?
Hindi.
Iba. As in, iba. Iba sila.
Oo, feeling lang.
Hindi solid yung
Oo,
finger.
mararamdaman mong, iba to.
Pero normal yung skin, as in tao normal.
Depends.
Depende.
Sabi na Eliza, maging mabait na tayo.
Oo, yun. Kasi nga, ayaw niya yung makulit.
Hindi, tsaka hindi.
Hindi naman sa ayaw niya yung makulit.
Pero
yung parang
kasi-
hindi niya, parang basta, ganun. Hindi yung sa ayaw niya
Parang
yung
mas lalakas.
Oo.
Oo, pero may parte din na mas lalakas lang yung parang power niya pag puro bad yung nangyayari sa bahay.
No, basta bad, lalabas talaga.
Sa bahay, dapat happy, light.
Tawa lang kayo ng tawa.
Kaya pala nandun yun sa banyo.
Kasi puro bad yung naaamin. You
Narinig ko.
The chilies, I feel them. It hurts now. Liza came at a cost. We're on
Ano daw?
exorcism.
No, we need together.
Exorcism na. Go.
Bro. 4 chilies, Christian, I'm sorry, bro. You ate 7? Marcos got easy. He ate 1. Young, how many chilies did you eat?
1.
1?
They got off easy. I'm that off the hardest. I ate 7.
Yeah, but sabi ni Kuya isulit yung time. So,
Hindi ko sinulit yung pagkain ng sili, pag-uusap.
Ilan nakain mo, Christian?
Ito.
Kasi siya talaga yun sa
Di ba ikaw yung
He said, I like to eat chilies. And then he spun the bowl. Because I like a man who
Yeah.
eats spice. I was like,
Oh.
and then at 2, I was beginning to stop. And she's like, yeah, well, it's okay if you can stop, but Enrique can do more. I was like, oh, hell no. Hell no. And then,
and sabi niya, you don't have to say. Ayos ko. You don't have to say.
Isa lang kasi binigay niya, siya nagkuha sa akin.
Sa akin, 7. 7. Nilagay niya doon, dito sa sausawan. Ganyan. Pok, 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 pok. Kinuha niya, nilagay niya sa kanin.
Akala ko buo eh.
Kasi dito parang
You ate it
naamoy
with
ko ng
rice?
anghang.
you ate it
Buo talaga yung sa akin,
you
inalis
ate it
niya.
with rice? I just ate one straight.
Dapat marinig na talaga yung lunok ng sili.
I thought that was better.
Ako, nilunok kong sili parang pako yung nilulunok.
Yeah, I tried swallowing mine, like straight.
What happened?
No, the first one was like, no, it's not gonna work. I had to chew it out. I had to chew it out.
Naadik na sa ito.
Grabe, New Year talaga.
Take a 3 to 4 days.
Yung mga tumutunog na naman doon, yun naman yung lucky task na. Siguro building na yung gagawin natin.
Eh, pero wala tayong lucky task ngayong week. Kasi weekly
Kaya
task.
nga, next
Ito na yung pambawi natin.
Next week is gonna be
Wag na.
Kuya!
Bayan yun.
Sorry! It's okay, no, it's okay, it's okay.
Oh my gosh, no!